Welcome into day one of my summer school mini lesson series right here. If you want support and something for your student to work on daily this summer, you have found the right spot. Make sure you click subscribe, follow all of the things, and comment down below. Engage so we can continue to meet each day. Today's lesson is simple. It is on making predictions. So a prediction is an educated guess, and it is a powerful reading comprehension tool. Jordan looked outside and noticed dark clouds filling the sky. The wind began blowing harder, and people hurried across the parking lot carrying umbrellas. Now we're going to think and pause. What prediction could you make? A strong prediction might be, I predict that a storm is coming. And then we'd have to ask ourselves, explain why. Like what from the text, what text-based evidence could we use to confirm that prediction? The dark clouds, the strong winds, umbrellas, people are rushing. Those would be all things that would help you as the reader, your student as the reader, predict what is coming next in the text. Let's try it again with another example. Mia studied the clock during class. Her backpack was already zipped and she kept smiling at her phone every few minutes. What predictions can you make? You might predict that Mia is excited to leave school for something special. Again, we use clues from the text to support our thinking. So what clues from the text would support this? Already had her bags packed and was ready to go, and she smiled and kept looking at her phone every time it buzzed. So that means she's excited to meet up. Maybe it's her birthday and her mom has something planned. We don't know. We didn't get that far, but those are examples that support the prediction that she is excited for something. It's important that we use details from the text to support our thinking. Now, a lot of times with a skill like this, students can get hung up that there's no right or wrong, unless, of course, there's a multiple choice. You just have to support your prediction with text evidence. It has to make sense based on what's happening in the text. If it doesn't, that means our reading comprehension is off a little bit and we need to go back and reread. Let's go back and review what we've learned today. What a prediction is, why predictions are important, how to use context clues to support your predictions, and how to support predictions with text evidence from a passage. Now let's remember, predictions can change as readers get new information, and that's completely normal. You can predict something and it actually not happen in a story. You're not got a magic ball in front of you. You're not psychic. So be ready to change and make new predictions, confirm those predictions as you go throughout the text. That's going to help you stay engaged as a reader with the text, especially if it's a long novel text. Now it's your turn. Complete the practice activity below and see if you can make strong predictions using text evidence. Also, be sure to check out the resources available in our stand store for additional middle school made easy reading and writing support. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment below with one prediction you made during today's lesson. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of our 105 days of summer mini lessons. Now go out there, enjoy the sunshine, and do something fun.